talked about, which is the biodiversity hotspot? Yes, Western Ghat, Eastern Himalaya, Indo-Burma. And then we have seen, like I said, who has given this biodiversity? My Rose. Only I talked about, it's My Rose. Meyer Biodiversity Hotspot, Rose. And that is in a convention, Biological Diversity 1985, and thereafter we have seen Kategana and then Nagoya. Understood? Thereafter we have seen which are the types of forest. In India it has been reserve forest, protected forest and unclassified. And reserve forests are how much? 59%, protected forest 23, and then 18% are, I said that. And then we have seen 59% what is it I said, reserve forest. In this forest I said that it is no extra hunting and then forest products will be utilized. No extra interference. But in case of protected forest, it is also the same way reserve forest, but the forest product can be utilized by local people. Understood? Reserve forests, which are, we have seen, sanctuaries. And how many sanctuaries we have? 500 plus. And then we have 112 national parks. And then we have seen, I said that 18 biosphere reserve and 10 man and biosphere reserve as per the UNESCO. Thereafter we have seen what is a sanctuary. And sanctuary, I said, that is for the protection and conservation of specific species. It can be under government, it can be under what is private, it can be under joint. Thereafter we have seen, yes, national park. It is a protection and conservation and preservation of what is flora and fauna in their natural habitat. Understood? It can be under, it is under the government. And then I said that it is for, it applies for recreation, research, education. And thereafter we have seen biosphere reserve. And biosphere reserves, where the threatened species comes into play, then this region become under the completely restricted, that become what? Core zone, followed by, surrounded by buffer zone, and buffer zone will act as a national park where you can recreation, education and all, and thereafter transition zone, the local people, the tribal people lives over there. And then we have seen how many biosphere reserve? 18, and out of the 18, some biosphere reserve is under the control of, through the assistance form, not under the control, but it is the assistance form under the UNESCO, and 10 biosphere, man and biosphere reserves. And thereafter we have seen wetland, and then wetland is in a Ramsar sites. And how many Ramsar sites in India? 26. And then I said that when it has been, this convention took place, 1971, along the bank of Caspian Sea, Ramsar city, 2nd Feb. And it is I said that it is throughout the year or part of a year. It can be inland, it can be coastal, it can be man-made, it can be natural. Understood? It can be brackish, it can be fresh, it can be saline. Understood? But it is supporting the largest biodiversity. Understood? And therefore it is also kidneys nature. Yes? And the water is playing major role, and all we have seen. And uske baad I said that it is acting as a sponge. Yes or not? In case of it, then a water is in a water management. A sponge, the water will suck. Flood water will be, what is in a move towards? It reduces the, it is in a movement and momentum of what is in a water. And then I said that at time of dry condition, it will uplift the water upward. So many function it has. And we have seen thereafter, I said 26 wetland. Inland wetlands, which are, I said that natural and man-made. That lakes, Oxbow Lake, waterlogging, marshy, playa. And then man-made we have seen, I said that reservoirs, tanks, then abundant quarries, and some we have seen cooling ponds. Understood? Thereafter we have seen coastal, and the coastal, what is a natural? It is, I said that creeks, estuary, lagoon, bay, corals, mangrove, tidal flats. And then we have seen what is a mariculture or aquaculture. सारी चीजें दिमाग में रखें. आज के बाद ही आप जाकर पलटोगे. आज के क्लास के बाद तो मिस्टर कौन है, शंकर, जिसके लिए आप लोग बहुत. So after half an hour we will meet you.